from Ocklawahamie River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical
Shut up, Eton.
coastal waters from Mexico
Ah,
to
262!
Apalachicola, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Swamee River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight
Yeah, 262.
At 8:38 p.m. Eastern
Yeah, that thing goes up from time to time.
7:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles northeast of Sea Tower, moving southwest at 10 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include O Tower, Sea Tower, St. George Island, and K Tower.
Oh.
You're
Okay, hold on.
in Florida.
There we go.